light. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another episode of Dirtnation Off-Road. So today what we're going to be doing is a review and install of the LASFIT LED lights for our Dirtnation Taco here. So shout out to LASFIT for sending this out to us to review and install on the Taco. Now, I'll link their website below so you guys can go ahead and check them out. They make LED lights for a variety of different vehicles. So just go ahead and check out their website and see if you find anything you like. Now, like a lot of stock vehicles, the Toyota Tacoma has halogen bulbs for its regular headlights, which they work for daily driving for the most part. But when it comes to like LEDs and comparing them to halogens, LEDs just look so much better. They give you a wider field of view when it comes to how much, how bright it is and how much it illuminates for you. And it's a wider light, which is just better to look at. It's better on the eyes. It looks better in photos. There's just a lot of benefits to LEDs compared to halogens. Opening up the box, you'll find a couple things. You got some promotional stuff, like you got decals, and then there's some of their social media information. So that's cool stuff. And then there's some instructions in there, and then what you have right there is just the LEDs themselves. So left and right and left, whatever you want to call it. So just two LED bulbs and the wiring. So it should be a pretty simple install. So we're gonna get these installed, and then we'll do a before and after video showing you the difference and difference between the halogen stock bulbs and these LEDs from LASFIT. So let's get to it. First thing I'm gonna do is take off the windshield wiper thing just to get it out of the way. So after taking off the windshield wiper fluid, now I don't know how well you guys can see it. Let me change my brightness here. There we go. So there's going to be three bulbs. One of them is, this is your daytime lights. This is your brights, and then tucked under down here is your actual headlight bulb. And that's the one that we're going to be changing today. So it's pretty easy to take off. Now, I made the mistake of not washing this stuff before I did it, but let me show you how to take it off. So you're going to reach inside here, and then you twist, and then you pull it out slowly, and then there's the bulb right there. You just press the little tab to take this off. Out it goes. Boy, that's dirty. And then we'll take our new one, which is right here, and we want to make sure that we match it up correctly. So there should be a positive and a negative thing on here. Actually, we're gonna have to do trial and error to get this thing plugged in, because there is a positive and a negative side, but it doesn't show it on here on the factory light. So I'm gonna pop that in there, and we'll go turn it on. Nope, that didn't work. Okay, there we go. So there it is. That's a good test. That is bright as shit. Jesus Christ. And if you listen here, listen. It's got a little fan for cooling, which is really cool. That's a nice little feature there. So I'm gonna get this turned off. I'll put that back in. So to put it back in, it's gonna be the same exact process. See, there's little notches on here so that when you stick it in, you twist it and it'll go right back into the place. So something good to know about these when you put it on is there's three notches. There's one right here, and one right there. The bigger size one, there's a certain way it has to go in. I'll put a little clip over here showing on the driver's side, but if you don't put it in the right way, it's not going to fit. So you have to fit this one on the one that it's meant to be, and then these two will line up with it. Now moving on to the driver's side, nothing really in the way unless you got like crappy wiring harnesses over here like I do, but besides that, you just kind of reach in here. Now, it's like I said, it's the light that's all the way on the outside. That's your regular headlight bulb. So we're going to reach this one all the way to the side. We're going to twist, pull that sucker out, and there it is right there. Same deal, nice and dirty. We're going to grab our new one. There it is right there. We're going to plug it in. And because it doesn't tell us what side is which, or I'm too dumb to know, we're gonna have to test it again. So I'm gonna leave that right there. Probably not on the battery. Let's leave that right there. Okay, I put it in backwards. Shocker. Take that off again. There we go. Let's try it. And there it is right there. So I can't even look at that, it's so bright. Once again, the fan, that's a really cool feature. I'm really impressed with the fact that they put a little cooling fan in there. I don't know if that's a regular thing. If it is, guys, comment below. That's just really cool to me. So, all right, let's get this turned off. So like I said before, you have the 3 pins. You have the 2 small ones, and then you have this large one. The large one has to match up on the inside in order for it to go in there and turn. So I'm going to make sure that I put it in correctly because I don't want to have to do this multiple times. And twist. There we go. And that one's in. So both of them are now installed. So what I'm going to do is we're going to get inside the truck and we're going to turn it on. And the reason I'm doing this is because it's a modern vehicle and you're dealing with all the computers and sensors and everything that you have to deal with. I'm going to test out the lights to make sure there's no codes that pop up or nothing on the dash. That way we know we're 100% in the clear, because I know sometimes you need like a regulator or something like that to connect LED lights to your stock vehicle. So let's see. Well, as I see right there, the lights are on. We'll get out and double check. It's hot, by the way, hence why I'm sweating so much. But lights are on. So now that we got these installed, what we're going to do is we're going to wait till nighttime, and I'm going to head to somewhere where it's nice and pitch black, very dark, and I'm going to show you guys the difference between the stock halogen bulbs on your Tacoma and the LASFIT LED lights. And then we'll do a comparison, a side-by-side, and all that good junk. So let's get to the park. So looking at it side by side now, it's no question. These halogen bulbs, they don't stand a chance against the LEDs. The LEDs just have a wider field of view, it's brighter light, and because it's wider light, it just looks a lot better. I also had a chance to test these out in Baja over Labor Day weekend, and driving on the roads late at night, I had no problem seeing. I didn't have to use my brights. These LEDs did a very good job of just illuminating the road. Looked pretty great, so I'm just been very impressed with the LED quality overall. All right, so that's a wrap on the install and review of the LASFIT or LASFIT, I don't know how to say it, LED lights for the 2017 Dirtnation Taco. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. We'll go ahead and link LASFIT below so that you guys can check out lights for your vehicle. They don't make these just for, you know, Tacomas. They make them for a variety of different vehicles, off-road or otherwise. So go ahead and check them out, and make sure to subscribe to us as well as follow us on Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, all that good junk. It's all going to be in the description. Hit us up for shirts. We don't have Metallica shirts, but we got Dirtnation shirts. So thank you guys for watching. We'll see you again next time. Hey, real quick before I get out of here, right when I finished recording this video, LASFIT actually reached out to provide a discount code for our followers. So if you're a follower of Dirtnation, just go ahead and use the coupon code at checkout. I'm going to put it right on the screen right here. You guys use that code, you can get 10% off on these lights as well as any other lights that are on their website. So I'm going to put all those links below. You guys go ahead and check them out. Thank you for watching. Have a good one.